how to make homemade eggnog. You won't believe how simple and delicious homemade eggnog can be, and this recipe is truly the best. Thick and creamy with a mild flavor and a hint of nutmeg. You'll never buy canned eggnog again. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we will make eggnog. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. Homemade eggnog is thickened with egg yolks first, then textured by folding in whipped egg whites. Those egg whites turn a heavy, extremely rich cocktail into something lighter and frothier, but no less indulgent. To make it thicker or creamier, adjust the ratio of whole milk to heavy cream, adding more cream for extra body and richness. Ingredients. These are the ingredients you'll need to make this traditional eggnog at home. Milk and light cream. This traditional eggnog recipe calls for milk and light cream. Spices and seasonings. Cinnamon, cloves, vanilla extract, and nutmeg are all required. Egg yolks. Egg yolks thicken the mixture, giving it a decadent texture. Sugar. For this dessert-like beverage, you'll need white sugar. Rum. For a non-alcoholic treat, spike your eggnog with light rum. This boozy eggnog recipe contains light rum. Depending on your mood and what you have on hand, you could also use brandy or bourbon. Of course, you can omit the liquor entirely if you prefer. Everyone at your holiday party will enjoy this cheery drink no matter how you serve it. Directions. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar until light and creamy. Combine the cream, milk, nutmeg, and salt in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Stir frequently until the mixture reaches a low simmer. Whisk a large spoonful of the milk into the egg mixture. To temper the eggs, add a large spoonful at a time. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan on the stove once most of the hot milk has been added to the eggs. Whisk continuously for a few minutes or until the mixture is only slightly thickened. As it cools, it will thicken even more. Remove from the heat and stir in the vanilla and, if using, the alcohol. Cover the eggnog with plastic wrap after straining it through a fine mesh strainer into a pitcher or other container. Refrigerate until completely chilled. As it cools, it will thicken. If you want a thinner, completely smooth consistency, blend the entire mixture with 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. If desired, garnish with cinnamon or nutmeg and fresh whipped cream. Refrigerate homemade eggnog for up to a week. Eggnog is traditionally aged with liquor for several weeks or months, which sounds insane until you realize that the alcohol serves as both a preservative and a sterilizer. Few bacteria, including salmonella, can survive in the presence of alcohol, as demonstrated by Rockefeller University lab experiments. Another way to preserve seasonal bounty is with aged eggnog. Eggs and milk collected at the peak of the summer season are preserved with alcohol until a time when they were historically scarce, like in winter. The fact that the preserved beverage produces an addictively good boozy cocktail for holiday celebrations is a win for frugal homesteaders everywhere. Even if you aren't aging your eggnog like a Victorian, the Rockefeller lab determined that the risk of foodborne illness is still very low. I recommend using the most recent organic eggs available. If you are concerned about using raw eggs, you can use pasteurized yolks and whites or cook the eggnog base on the stovetop. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried an eggnog? For more delicious recipes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updates. See you in the next delicious recipe video. Until then, take care.